stocks plunged Thursday amid growing signs of economic downturn. In New York, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 500 points by mid-morning, though it later regained some ground, and it closed down 3.7%. The Nasdaq Composite dropped just over 5%. Market analysts say a number of reports Thursday fueled the U.S. decline. Alan Valdez, Director of Trading Operations at DME Securities in New York, said the slide in European stock markets set the tone for U.S. exchanges.
It's that German market, which is really, they're the leaders in Europe, our biggest trading partner, by the way, and they were down triple digits this morning, so we knew coming in that we were going to have a rough opening.
The U.S. government reported that the number of unemployed Americans applying for benefits rose. Climbing prices, especially for gas, which rose 4.7% in July, also are pressing consumers. And Morgan Stanley said Thursday that the global economy is dangerously close to slipping into recession within the next year. Outside the New York Stock Exchange, passers-by, like TV sports producer David Beld, shared the market's anxiety.
It's obviously unsettling for an average person because you'd like to see the whole economy reflected by the stock market be a little more secure, and it's not being represented in that at all with these wild fluctuations.
Tanya Kotorski works at the exchange.
I worry a lot, how we're going to retire, what's going to be with my 401k, what's my kids going to inherit, will I be able to pay for them for college, or they have to be that smart that they have to get to some college and get some kind of scholarship. I'm worrying a lot.
19-year-old student Najia Hurd says people her age will have more difficult lives.
I don't think that my generation was afforded a fair chance, and everything is kind of falling on our shoulders, and it's up to us to carry all that weight.
And Union newspaper editor Peter Hogness sees no end in sight.
We're going to keep having this kind of instability and bubbles that burst and boom and bust and people being thrown out of work for no good reason until we get some more serious regulation.
DME Securities' Alan Valdez says that U.S. prospects all come down to the job security of ordinary Americans.
Jobs is the bottom line, and that's something that there's no silver bullet for.
Carolyn Weaver, VOA News, New York.